Hello, ladies and people. Today, we will be going over the most famous, infamous beginner socket set. The Hypertop socket set. This is a beginner, and I call this a beginner because there's 204 pieces. 104 pieces is a bunch of pieces. There's very tiny ones. There's very large ones and long ones. There's all types of ones, and this one is a very basic set. Very basic. It comes with big sockets. I don't like the design of it, but you have to push from the bottom. This is its biggest socket right here. And down here, see, it is just a really bad design. Really bad design on how you get the socket out. Because now you gotta like push it. Yeah, I shouldn't have to do that. Usually with some socket sets, they like cut holes from the right side so you can just slip them in. But these, they decided to put it in through the side. Like that helps. Well, okay. So this is its tiniest socket set. Right here. Now, it is a metric socket set. And it comes with the socket wrench and an extender. Very convenient. Very convenient. Very convenient. Now, I, on the other hand, find it amazing. Now, most people don't understand how this works. They'll think this end goes in here, or this end goes in here. Well, it's kind of like a male and a female. Not like that. I'm talking about like on wires, white goes with white, blue goes with blue, red goes with red, or something like that. Male and female. And it's basically for the, there's a little, let me see if I can find it. So there is a little butthole right here, a little thing. And on this end, there's not. Now you can see that they're the same shape. That little hole, where did it go? Right here holds this in. Now as soon as I put it in, same shape, it goes in. And now I have an extension. So if I can't reach one place, I can go and reach it. Excuse me. This also walks here. Now, as you can see, there's a thing on here, the female, and there's the male, which fits right on there, and it goes. So then now I have a socket set. It gets even better. You don't need the extension all the time. So now you can go and you can just connect again. Female has the little hole right there to hold this in, and it goes, and now you have a much more compact thing. Right here is this black button. Well, it's not really a button. If I twist it one way, it will allow me to go the opposite way. I mean, you see, when it makes that clicking, it's going around. But when you don't hear the clicking, it's grabbing on and moving the bolt. And every time I go like this, it's grabbing on. Every time I go like this, it's moving the bolt. And then if I do it again, see how I'm able to go this way? But see how I'm able to go this way? And if I turn it, whatever way it is. I can go the other way. So that works out great. I think the bolt I need for my next exemplarage is, I think I'm going to go with the 5/8 right here, because they're pretty big. I think I'm going to go with this one right here. Yeah, like car mechanics, they shouldn't have to go through this if they get this. They just need to be able to go and pull it out, put it on, undo whatever they're doing, take it out, and move it to the next one. They shouldn't need to struggle to get it, because then they're just wasting time. And if something gets tightened by a socket, like a fluid pipe or something for that car or something, and you can't undo it, well then you're done. Because then that's fluid leaking everywhere, and then you gotta stop and clean that up. Just to them. So I'm gonna take you outside, if I have the right ones, and show you an example of what you would use a socket set for if you do not have an impact driver. Now we are outside and it's a little bit cold, but as you can see as I walk down my steps, there are these big bolts right here, as you can see, and even bigger ones right there. So if I wanted to undo this, I would connect my socket like that, go up, nope, okay, so I'm going to be right back for a minute. I grabbed the wrong one. Oh. So in the end, I just decided to bring the whole socket thing as usual. And maybe now. Maybe now. Oh, I'm getting down to its height, getting down to it, getting down to its final thing. And now I think I'm at the right one. Yeah, so now I'm at the right one. And you'll be able to see it gripping. I mean, you won't be able to see it, but you'll be able to tell when it's gripping. So as you can see, I have it. And I'm just gonna go. And you could tell, oh. See, you need two hands for this, but you can tell when it is gripping and when it's not. Now I may be rounding it off, so maybe I need a little bit tighter one. I don't know. Should I go down a thing? I mean, I don't want to go down any farther. I don't want to like... now I'm actually getting to it and getting it, and you can feel how easy it is becoming to do that. And you can see now that because of the grabbing and pulling, I have some of this out. And it is rusted too, so that's good. Now I have to put it back in. So I'm going to twist my handle. And I'm going to put it back in. Oh yeah, that should have not been built with nails. Yeah, I see that. I mean, they did the slanting thing and it's holding. Okay, so that's neatly in now. And that's the same with this one. Now rust is just coming off of this thing. Yeah, rust is just pouring out of here. Yeah, rust is just literally pouring out of that. So that one's just loose as hell. So ladies and gentlemen, Hypertough is a Walmart brand, actually. It is not a, like the Watt something. If you're going to be working on anything like heavy or something like that, I suggest you go and get a socket set that's 104 piece or something like that, so you have everything like spark plug. But if you're just going to be taking down something or something like that, and you need like a quick socket set, I think you should go and get the Hypertough socket set. Gentlemen, I really strongly recommend it. I think people could do good from it. I think it would be nice and okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, that will conclude it. I was doing this weird black shit. That will conclude it for the set. I will see you later.